Okay, dear participant, first of all, good evening and welcome back to our third day of the ongoing workshop. And today we are going to talk about AI tools for teaching and learning, specifically to design the lesson plans, learning resources, quizzes, and assessment using the AI-powered tools. Along with there are some short prompt shorts. These are highly useful so that whenever you will put any question and you want to get some information or you want to design whatever you thought. So these prompt shorts will help you to get the right information accordingly and the very detail. These also I have created some content files which I will provide you later on after the session. Okay, so first, welcome to all the participants and education is undergoing to a remarkable transformation. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a technology for the researchers or the software developer. It has become a practical assistant for every educator. Whether you are a school teacher, college faculty member, trainer, or academic leader, AI can help you save time, improve the quality of teaching, and create more engaging learning experience for the student. Okay, so traditionally design a lesson plan, preparing the lecture notes, creating presentation, developing assignment, writing quizzes, and evaluating the student performance requires many hours of preparation. But today, with the help of this generative AI tool, many of these tasks can be completed in minutes while maintaining his high academic standards. So remember that AI is not here to replace the teacher. It is here to empower the teachers. So you will expertise, subject knowledge, creativity, and mentorship remain at the heart of effective education. Simply become an intelligent teaching assistant that help you work more efficiently and focus more on student learning. So there are various tools, just like yesterday we talked about the ChatGPT, Claude. There are various tools, Claude also, and Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and Perplexity AI is also there. Okay, so when I was checking everything today, uh, about 5 hours I spent to compare all these, and I saw that the most of all the requirement which we are required for this task, because ChatGPT have a lot of data set and information when it was developed. Okay, and Claude and Google Gemini, all these we can reduce, but with the help of ChatGPT, this task we can easily perform. Okay, along with we will introduce Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. Copilot, I will not recommend. Okay. Uh, there are some limitations for this purpose. Okay, that's why I will not recommend. But someone is wanted to integrate. Okay, so we will demonstrate the examples how you can use. But for just like a lesson plan, learning, and quiz assessment, for this task, I will not recommend this one. Highly recommended ChatGPT. Okay, so the prompt and the some prompt shortcuts which are very essential, and various examples we will demonstrate and you will see their applications. Okay, and a lot of time you can see by using the, sometimes we are not able to have the right prompt, but the short case which are specifically for the academia. Okay, we can use them, and various examples are there. So some of them I will demonstrate here because the case are various are there according to our domain. Whether you want to write research or you want to report, or you want to write some uh, schedule the meeting, or you can have the lesson plan. Okay, write an application, write an email, write a reply, etc. So many things are there. And for there, we have very small key. Okay, just a single word. And when you will use this case, you will have very right information. Okay, so actually the thing is you can put your query in the chat box right now during the session. And we have huge audience. I think more than 50 has been joined, if I can see. Uh, the participant right now we have, yeah, 64 are there. So knowingly and unknowingly sometimes mic is unmuted and we have some disturbance. So for this reason, during I will present all the examples. The contents are very helpfully. Just you are required to understand how we can use them, how we can manipulate them. Only these things are very important, and all the entire content after that will be shared with you in the group as I can do yesterday. Okay. So the today's session will be completely hands-on, no theory. Okay, just application. So now I going to share my uh, desktop where I have opened the chat GPT. Okay. So this is the today's session. So actually I am using the paid version. Okay. So before coming to this place, sometimes verification and validity is very essential. Okay. So various so that you can have the right information to use them. Okay. So here you can see I am opening the my stuff which I have prepared for you. Just like you can start this sheet. Okay, and after the session you can use it. Okay, so these keys are good evening all of you, and very good evening Indu Verma madam and all the participants once again, and we are going to start now hands on. And only the thing is the sheet which I have shared with you, and you can see here, this is specifically the shortcut keys, and you can directly use them. Okay. And here you can see in the first column, we have the shortcut keys, and in the second, why we need, what are the purpose. And last one, we have the examples, how you can use them. Okay, just like if you want to use this backslash describe. Okay, so you can have any topic which you want to understand, which you want to read. Your screen is not visible. Okay, my screen not visible. Just one minute. Okay, once again, I am going to share. Okay. Okay, thank you to inform me. Yes, it is visible now. Yes, I think it is visible. Thank you, dear participant, to inform me. Yeah, it's okay. So now you can see the prompt shortcut cuts. Okay, so these are predefined commands that help you to give a clear instruction. Okay, sometimes when you want to use ChatGPT, but we have not the right instruction what we want. Okay, so sometimes the input which we are giving is not appropriate, so that these generative AI tools can understand. So if you will use these shortcuts, and then after you can write your topic. Okay, so here these shortcut which I am showing you, and one by one, some of them I will discuss with you. We will present, and after that, this sheet will be shared with you, and you can use and you can save this content, and also all the contents which we are presenting here. Sometimes the content which we sharing in the WhatsApp will be misplaced. So I will let you know how this content will be available for you lifelong. Okay, whenever you need, you can access this content. I will at the end, I will let you know from where you can get the recordings as well as all this content which we are sharing with you. Okay, so immediately we are sharing in the WhatsApp, and after within 24 hours we update everything in the your account. So from your account you can access all this content. So you are not required to worry about session wise how you can access all this content. Of course, we are sharing this content in your WhatsApp group. Okay, but in the WhatsApp sometimes some updates or some due to any reason can be deleted. Okay, recently this happened with me. So a lot of information, my WhatsApp was updated, and all the information which was in my different groups or my personal chat has been completely deleted. And now I have to update everything, and I am asking from my friend circle. So this can be happen with anyone. So we need a secure platform, and this is the secure where I will let you know all the content will be available in your account, and you can access anytime in the future. Okay, this will be permanently available for you. So now come to here. These are the three columns you can see. In the first column, we have shortcut. In the second column, we have the purpose, why we need to use them. And in the third example, the way how you can use them. Okay, these three things are important. Just like I have described, then uh, the purpose, describe or explain the topic, and this the example. Okay, so just you can see I am copying this statement from this place, and I come here on this place. Okay, where my I have the uh, chat GPT open, and yesterday I also told you that always keep in mind prompt looping. Okay. So prompt looping means if you are talking about, just like you can see, this is the third day, and I am covering the AI tools for education. So all the commands and all the things which I want to discuss here will be related to this topic. Okay, so when you will use one chat for one purpose, so this will be intelligent and will be updated according to what was the previous statement which you have used. The previous information will also help for your prompt which you will use here. Okay, or if you want to ask any questions. So I always try to use in this way for one task, once create the one chat, and all type of the queries or what you want to develop, just like you want to create any schedule, you want to create any image, or you want to create any presentation, and you have specific topic and many information or the quizzes you have created at that place. So for the future also, if you want, you have some information or you want to get some information related to the same topic, so don't change the chat. Okay, so this is the prompt looping, and this will give you more information and will be accurate information. And sometimes you can see that when we are using any prompt in ChatGPT, and when you will execute re-execute the statement, okay, this will return some more advanced information. Okay, so the same thing is happen here, the in prompt looping. So see here, this is the topic which I am using here, and I write only, I have this statement only, generative AI in education. So I have only this symbol, which I use here backslash describe only. So this will give the all the information. Just give the title only, and this will describe properly. See, I click here. So here you can see the areas and how generative AI can help. Okay, all the information are there. Okay, then here you can see some examples and benefits. You can see save time, creative diversity resource, personalized learning, provide faster feedback, support creativity. Okay, and so on. Okay, here this is the simple education workflow also it is providing. So by using only this single statement, okay, just I put here only the title. I did not ask anything what I need. Just I ask describe. Okay, once again you can see the same. If I ask here describe bioinformatic. Okay, I have only one single word, bioinformatic. Okay, so this you can use for the learning purpose also. Sometimes we listen new topic, we have some new keyword, but we don't have the right information. We want to know, but if you will say search in the Google or you will ask the queries by using this keyword. Okay, by using without using this keyword. So you will ask a very long statement, but here I you don't require long statement. Just only I put only one key and see the magic. Okay, so the complete information. What is bioinformatics? Combination of biology, computing, mathematics, static. Very frequently and accurate information we have. Exactly what we need in the very less time. Okay, we are not required a long document to read. By using this briefly and which we need to understand the particular concept, every information will be there. So here you can see the major areas of the bioinformatics, how bioinformatics works. Okay, all the information about this topic, about this area, we have everything. So this is the use of these shortcuts and which can enhance your proper use of the generative AI tools and all the things which you need in your academic purpose. Definitely, uh, this will help you by using only one chat GPT. I tried all these on the others, but this chat GPT provide all the informations which we need for academia purpose. Okay, so here these are the some applications. So everything which you need about this you can see. If you did not use this backslash, then you don't have the more information about the topic, or otherwise you have to put a very long statement. Okay, actually, this backslash work for us like a prompt. Yesterday, which we discussed about the prompt for various type of the purpose for the leadership, and you saw there the very long prompt is there. Actually, all type of the generative AI tools which we are using, if we are not give the proper right instruction, okay, uh, this will return the outputs, but sometimes which we need the exact information. Okay, so some partially will be accurate, which we need, but sometimes we are not satisfied with the information which we get. So we have to give the another statement, or we have to ask another query. Okay, so two or three after the two or three queries, we get the right information. So if you will use these prompt shortcuts, so these will also act as the prompt, okay, and will describe according what you ask. So regarding that other information, by using very small code or the statement, we have the all the information. Okay, as someone is asking, what if we are not using the backslash? Okay, so the backslash here work as a instruction, as a prompt. Okay, so these are short prompt, as you can see. Once again, I am sharing. Yes, so these are the shortcut, and the title is here prompt shortcut. We are not required to give the long prompt. Just we have the short prompt, shortcut for the prompt. Just use them and put your title. This will describe automatically according to which shortcut you are using. Okay, so here you can see the another one. So various examples with respect to all shortcut examples are given here. Okay, so just like you can see, sometimes we want to read new topic and we don't have information about, but we want to this prompt what will do, teach a topic step by step. Okay, as a teacher is teaching in the classroom. Okay, so in the same way, when you will use this backslash teach, and you will ask for about any topic, so this will uh, give the information or will teach you step by step everything. Just like I'm copy this one, we can use this statement. Okay, so if someone want to introduce Claude for academic leadership, okay, so slash teach, then the topic, what you want to learn. Okay, so just you are required to put here title only. So you can see this one, and we are using here. Okay, so this is the topic, and we want to learn this topic just like a teacher. Okay, from the teacher. So this will ChatGPT will teach us step by step. See, all the information are there. Okay, all the information are there. This is all about the information uh, collect for academic leader. Okay, so when you will see there are the topic is divided into 17 subsections. Okay, 7 sections. And when you will go through this information which is written here, okay, if you will ask the same thing without using this shortcut, prompt short, okay, so you will not have the information like in this way. So CLAT for academic leadership, all the information are step by step defined here, and in the very first section you can see what academic leader can do by using the CLAT. Okay, so here areas are defined here, and on the right hand side there are the possible use how we can use as a leader. Everything is defined here, and then you can see CLAT as an academic leader assistant, how we can use them. Okay, what are the purpose? Leaders goal, provide content, context, CLAT analysis, review, human decision, implementation. Okay, so also examples are given here, how you can implement. Okay, so this will by implementing this single statement, and you can see if we have any topic and we want to learn, just like I am using the same statement. Okay, and I want to teach about uh, say the new topic is fractional calculus. This is the mathematical topic, fractional calculus. Okay, and see, this topic is related to mathematics. Okay, so actually this is the well structured saying fractional calculus structured introduction. Okay, definitions, properties, fractional differential equation, numerical method, and applications. Okay, so we are starting on a topic from the definition. Then what are the properties? So everything is clearly defined here. If anyone who is from the mathematical background and want to study or want to learn some new topic, okay, topic can be from any subject. Just what we do here, just here use this backslash teach and then put the topic. And you can see fractional calculus is very vast. Okay. And if someone without using this slash teach, we have to, if you will write only the what you will ask introduction, how I can learn the fractional calculus, you have to put long statement. Okay, then various things are there, okay, which you need to know. So you have to put various questions. And but when you will use this backslash teach, so everything which you need for the fractional calculus, this is the new area, and we not studied during the postgraduate level up to. Okay, this is the core area of the further research who are doing some people in the fractional calculus, they know. Okay, so all the basic fundamentals to advanced level, you can see everything, all the properties are there. Okay, and what type of the operator are there. You can see here the fundamental powers of, you can see various examples with their symbolic form are also there. Okay, and sometimes you can see here the mathematical expressions are there. And one more thing, if you need to convert all these content which we have developed at the pace. Okay, and you want to write your own document so that in the future or anytime you want to use them. And if you are familiar about the LaTeX, so all this information frequently you can convert in LaTeX. Okay, and LaTeX will generate in PDF. Okay, so and if you wanted to download in Word document, because here mathematical expressions are very, you can see sometimes you can have complex. So for those who are from the mathematics background, Okay, so the writing all these symbols which you can see here are very typical in MS Office, but all these things, when we have the complex mathematical symbols, we can easily write all these things in LaTeX. But if you will write everything from this statement, it will take a lot of time. But within few seconds, you can convert all this content in the LaTeX file and you can generate your document. Okay, what you will do? You will write here only. I'm not able to write open the LaTeX software, but I give the example how you can do. Just you will write here convert in LaTeX format file. So all the symbols which you can see, very typical example symbols are there. Okay, and here you can see the a simple mental model, classical calculus, then with the fractional operator, fractional differential equation, okay, and so on. You can see numerical method, mathematical model, and applications. So this is the way. But when you will use this statement, which I write here, just by click it, all the content which we have at this place, you can see about the fraction calculus will be converted in the LaTeX file, and after getting the LaTeX file, you can download and you can open in the LaTeX software. Okay, so see how much time you save. And in the mathematics, when you write some such type of the symbols, equations, and when you are using the MS Office, because when I started my PhD using the MS Office, lot of time I waste there. But all the things, when I start to use LaTeX, lot of time is saved. But right now, if we have the generative AI tools, your research becomes more than 10% times more. Okay, lot of time you can save. Okay, and also there will be various statement which we will use here for the various purpose, which will be highly useful for academia, for your purpose. Okay, you can use when I will share all the content, but I will not be able to present the entire content which I prepare, because I spend more than 5 hours to prepare all this content, and all these within 1 hour I'm not possible. But I can give you some examples and you can implement all this content yourself. All these are very quite easy for you. Okay, so see here all the content has been converted, and at the bottom this is the file. This is the file. From this place you can download this LaTeX file. Just you are required to click on it and this will be downloaded. In your download you can see this is the tex file, .tex file you can see here, and this file will open in your LaTeX software and you can easily perform. And along with all type of the packages and instructions which we are required here, you can see here. So everything is well managed and you can save a lot of time and following these instructions and the definitions. And when you will start to work, just like you are required to write the introduction, this will help you. When you will write some proposal, this will help you. Okay, when you write a synopsis, all these definitions and which are available here, and specifically for those which are mathematical expressions, all this will save your time. Okay, so manually when you will start, initially it is very difficult to handle the statement which we are using in the LaTeX software, because mathematicians are not having the background in the computer. So computer having the background, they can easily use all these statement. But initially in the very beginning, some time we are required to spend to learn the LaTeX. Okay, but with the help of these generative AI tools, you can learn the LaTeX within 2 days. Only 2 days are required. Okay, so this also I will try to introduce how you can use generative AI tools to write any document which you are required to in LaTeX Office. Okay, so I will demonstrate in the coming sessions for 30 minutes. Okay, I will introduce so that you can familiar about the LaTeX, and this will manage your long document. If you are thinking to write the book by using MS Office, so if there are more than 500 pages, lot of time are required to manage the chapters, and sometimes we are required to update the chapter or you change their index or chapter position. So lot of time is required to update all the information, because page numbers, index, everything we are required to update. But this is just like a automated software, so everything this will update automatically. So this was not the part of the today's session, but I have introduced here. Okay. So now come here. So here you can see some other examples. Just you want to summarize. Okay. Just like if you have any research paper and you want to summarize, okay, or you want to rewrite. So all the examples are there. So I would like to give you one example, summarize. So here we can use this one, this statement. What I can do and how you can use, see, I will upload one PDF file. I would like to upload one PDF file. See, this is recently I got a paper from one student, graduation level, and he sent me see my paper. Okay, so I don't have the much time, so I put this statement and then give the input. And you can see what is in this paper. We did not open the paper, but in the very beginning, what are everything though. So by uploading the paper without reading the entire paper, you have the summary of the research paper. Okay, what we have done, slash summarize this paper, any paper you have. Okay, and when we have the literature review part, and we sometimes we are required to rate 30, 15 research papers. Okay, any range we can have. And if you will try to read and understand the concept about each paper, you are required a lot of time, about at least 1 month is required. Okay, sometimes we irritate to read a very long document when the paper length are more than 30 or 60 pages. So in that case, we need to understand the summary about what is the paper, what are inside of the paper. Only the main summary we are required. Okay, so you can see about this paper, all the summary is their purpose. You can see the mathematical problem, what they define. You can see the main methodology, what they have apply. Okay, so this is the theorems you can see here. So you can see the average stopping time. Okay, residue density argument, what is definitions, main claim. Okay, you can see the main claims, what are there. And this is the main contribution, claimed contribution. Okay, overall assessment of the paper. Okay, what is there? So in one sentence, this is the absolutely very brief summary about the entire work. Okay, so in this way, we can get the summary about this paper. You can see. So any paper, when you need only the summary, when you have the very long document, so this will return the summarize about the entire paper. We are not required to read. And in the very less time, so this part which you can see, you are not required to spend a lot of time. Okay, just you are required to understand what they have contributed. Only I think when you will go through, if you have the mathematics background, or you can have any paper, because right now I have this paper in my download. Recently I use. So you can see all the expressions are there, and all the definitions, what they have contributed to what claim. And you can see here in 3 lines in one sentence what they have contributed actually. Okay, so lot of time you can save by using this type of the statement. Got it? Please reply me in yes, no in the chat box. Okay. So my speed is accurate according to you can follow. Okay. And if you have 2 devices, you can use them also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to all. Yes. Did you use this type of the statement in your future in the past? Are you familiar about this statement which I am using now? Previously, did you try? Okay. No, no, no. Yes. So do you think these are helping? This will help you? Yes. So yes, actually, Yes, this will help you. Sure, this will be help you, and you will enjoy. Okay, so by giving the wrong statement, by using the wrong input, what you want to know, so this will help you. Okay, so here you can see draft and email. If you can see there is, yeah, if sometimes you want to plan, okay, you have some task and you want to plan anything. Okay, so we can have slash plan and create the structured plan. Okay, this is the way you can take this example. Okay, we can take this example. 7 days AI training program. Okay, so if you want to organize any if you want to organize any FDP or workshop, okay, and any conference, how you can plan. Okay, if you want to organize any activity, so you can do by using this one. Suppose that you can see what this will do. Okay, 7-day AI training program. We want to organize a 7-day training program. Thank you to all. Thank you, dear participant. And I think you are enjoying today because today there is no theory, only the practical task will be there. Okay, and when you will get all this content, you are required to spend to use all this at least 1 week. Okay, so according to your need, go through the detail, try to use them. Okay, and save all this content at a secure place so that whenever you need, you can use them. Okay, so see here everything day wise and what type of the activities you are required. See here. Sometimes if you are very beginner to organize the any program, you don't have any idea. And many times we observe that in departments, because I am also the faculty member. We all are the faculty members, and many times we have challenge. Challenge is coordination in the team. Okay. So first we have to plan the program, which type of activity we need to organize, then how we can, what will be the schedule, everything we are need, we have to decide the topic. Okay. So you can choose the topic also. I will let you know how you can do everything. Okay. Usually when we organize any program in the department, we need a team about 5 members at least, and different type of the task has been assigned. And then in the next week, after 1 week program, after 1 week, we have the next meeting and we will check what we have planned. Okay, so we are not required to waste any time. Think what we need only during the meeting. Everything which you need, you can plan. Within 10 minutes, you can organize your program, any conference, any activity which you did in our department. Okay, and next time when you have the planning, any kind to rise any planning, you can do, and you can see, just I put only the title. Title is AI training program, and you can see everything is there. Okay, see AI tools for teaching, research, and academic leadership. Duration 7 days. Target audience, you can see. Mode hands-on practical, you can see. Okay, then suggested duration 2 to 3 days per hour. Program objective, you can see here. Day-wise schedule also there. Okay, so day one, you can see the theme, then key topic, what you are required to use. Okay, so this scheduling, to prepare the schedule is not an easy task. You know very well. We all know because we never use this type of the statement. And now you can see within a second, we generate the entire program schedule about one event. And I am sure this content which I am sharing with you today, many tasks will become very smooth and you can save a lot of time for your personal, for your department level, and you can accelerate your activities, your programs without having any pressure. The main thing is the pressure on the faculty members. Okay, we also facing the pressure and sometimes the lack of the uh, use of the technologies. Okay, like lack of the information. Many times we plan the program and we are not able to execute. We plan many things, but we are not able to execute because of the lack of the team. But now we can do everything. Okay, so here you can see day wise. schedule is there, key topics, what you will be cover day wise, the thematic areas are there, and what will be the hands-on activities. So this thing within a second you can have everything which you need to require, and these are the day wise focus area, practical task which you need. You can this will help you to prepare the flyer. Okay, you can see everything, and if you want to download all these things in a Word document, okay, if you want to download all this information in your document, Word document, okay, this is the assessment structure also prepared there. What I have done here, only one prompt I give here, prompt shortcut, and by using the same, we have everything which we need to organize one program. This is the sample. This is the sample of the how you can use. If you want to download all this information as a Word file, what you will do? Convert in docs file. Docs file. Enter. Within few seconds, all this entire information will be converted into Word file. See this one. See 7 days FTP generative AI, and click on it, and on the right hand side you can see the entire information. Okay, and you can download from this place. So yes, okay, you can download. So when you write the proposal, when you want to organize and you want to go, you are going to discuss with your HOD or the higher authority. Don't go to discuss. We are going to planning any activity, or your authority say organize the any event to FDP program. So just using this statement, prepare your entire proposal, everything which you need, and go to your higher authority. We have planned everything, and your higher authority will be happy. Our faculty members are very intelligent, and without having any loss of time, they are frequently replying our task. But only then you are using all these things in a proper way, in the right way, and you will get appraisal from the higher authorities. Okay, be smart by using all these generative tools, and you can see everything we can do. You know, right now, the time which is going, I have 3 programs, and all these are organized by me myself. I am organizing everything. I am also the speaker. I am organizing. Okay, some speakers are invited from the outside. Okay, I am handling the backend technology also. Okay, today my moderator is not available with me, but I trained myself how I can manage everything without having any problem, and all the things which you can see are smoothly. There is no challenge. Okay, but if you will use this technology in the right way, okay, so only the willpower is needed. So see now some more magic about these tools. Sorry, I can close this file. Yes, so I can close this file. There are various examples are here, just like research design. Okay, research design. Okay, and today I tried this statement also. Okay, so the variables sometimes I can close this part. Yes. Okay. So today I try to use the variables slash variables, and what will be the impact if I will use. Okay. So I thought to the topic ML application for DNA. Okay. I don't know about DNA, what is DNA? But I thought that if I'm working in the machine learning, and what can be the possible application in DNA? So I have very short idea. Okay. And what are the variables? Because when we need to implement a machine learning model, we have some database. So variables or features play a very important role. Okay, to develop any machine learning model. But I was planning to work on DNA. This idea came to in my mind while doing some practice today. Okay, so I run this file. When I will run this statement in my chat box, and you can see. Okay, so variable machine learning applications for the DNA. Okay, if anyone who want to work on DNA and you don't have the idea or any area where you want to work, but we need some idea. So here we need some variables, which variables are there and how we can perform. Okay, so here you can see these are the variable type. Then you can see the variable. Then we can see the possible operationalization. Okay, so variables have some functionalities when we can use, how we can use. Okay, so all these things are there. All the variables which are associated with the DNA we have. Okay, so all these are the types of the variable, and here their possible operationalization. Okay, we can have the idea. And what are the variable? You can see the ML application of the DNA is broad, so the variable should be defined according to the specific biological prediction task. Okay, so here because I am very beginner, I don't know about DNA, and it's ChatGPT is replying. This is very broad term. Yes, this is very broad term. Okay, so we can specify. So here you can see, and this is the conceptual work. Okay, so here you can see these are changing. Nonsense, insertion, deletion. Okay, so you can have. Then this is the framework. And these are some examples, research questions which you need. Important research design here is also. Okay, and you can use it. And if you have the questions, you can ask again one particular about one particular problem. Okay, so you can see here by using for the beginners, if I need to work on it now, I can easily work on it DNA. I can implement the machine learning model by getting this information. Okay, so this is the way how we can use. Just a minute, I can take 10 to 15 minutes more. Okay, it is time 7:25. 5 minutes or more we have, but I need 10 minutes more. Okay, so about 15 minutes we will stay here, so that there are some other files. So from that I would like to share some ideas how you can use all these files. Okay, just 1 minute, I want to put one reply to the other session. 1 minute, please. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So you can see everything is there. I will close this file now. Okay, this file will be available for you and I will share with you. I close this file. Now come to the another file. Okay, so this file help you. This file will help you writing and language. Okay, sometimes some of the statement can be you can see here, and these will help you just like translate. Sometimes you are required to translate. Okay, and if you have some information and on the chat box which is created in English, and you want to convert in another language, just like in Hindi or in in Punjabi or in Marathi. Okay, you will ask convert in Hindi. Okay, so this will, yes, dear participant, dear Deepika Chaudhary madam, all the content which we are presenting here will be available to for all the participants. Okay, we promised the content which is useful for you. Okay, because all the content I'm not able to present everything, but I can give you the idea how you can use them. Okay, so just like you can use them in the ChatGPT, you can use, you can try in Gemini also. Okay, some of them we can have in Cloud, but basically all these are for ChatGPT only. Okay, so what type of the prompt you can use in the Cloud? Which type of the prompt these shortcut you can use for Gemini? I will prepare separate file so that you can easily use for different platform, but not possible to use in all the platforms. Okay, so some platform have the some specific and according to that, and also I will train you how you can prepare this type of the prompt shortcut. Okay, so whenever you need any specific area and you want to apply and you need this type of the shortcuts, you can do. Okay, so you will not require to depend on any person. Okay, you can prepare yourself also. So here you can see, just like I would like to present to only one statement. Okay, uh, you can see this one. So slash grammar. Sometimes when we are writing some sentence and we don't have we can have some grammatical error. Okay, so whatever you have the paragraph. So here the simple example. Here, not the paragraph. Only we have the simple one line only. Okay, if you have a long paragraph and you can paste here. Okay, you can paste in at this place. Okay, but here we have very small sentence. Okay, and see this will correct automatically. This will remove the grammatical error. Okay, and what is the correction? This will also let you know and how you can use. Okay, similarly, sometimes you can have right. I'm using here slash right about MTTF. Okay, so this is completely defined here. What we are doing, everything is there. Okay, but now, okay, so this is about the complete information and resources are available on the internet. Okay, so from that place, exact information is there. Now, the thing is the statement which I want to use here, that is translate. That is translate. Translate. What I will do, I will use this statement here, backslash translate what above content. I will write here above content in Hindi. So this will clearly and exact will also highlight, and sometimes we don't have the exact word in Hindi. Okay, just like a stem. So this will use the stem as it is. Okay, and you can have just like FDP. Okay, there is no word to translate FDP in Hindi. So this will use as it is. Okay, so we have the faculty development program, we can have the Python and R programming. So the names of the language will be used as it is. So this is the exact translate. And if you will ask simply translate in Hindi above content, so there will be various type of the error. So by using in this way, if you want to translate any content in any language, you can do. you can try in this way. So this is the one example. So dear friends, dear participant, we have all various type of examples are for just like idea and planning. You can use all these. Okay, some of them we have tried, and you can try all these statements. And these are the some learning and practice purpose. Okay, just like you want to prepare the quiz. Okay, okay. So just I copy here and paste here. Okay, so quiz me one word geography on the word geography. uh, 10 questions, or you can say 10 questions at a time. So you can put your question, okay, any title. So this will generate the 10 quiz and exactly the same which we need. And at the bottom, you can save the answer. This is the answer key. Okay. So in this way, you can use it, and you can put the question, you can put the topic, and on the particular topic, this will return. One more example, just like I need a quiz on uh, 10 questions, okay, on ML. See, okay, so you can create various type of the questions. So there are many contents are there in this file. Okay, organization a note. Sometimes if you want to write any note, okay. So here this is the prompt, and in at the place you will paste here. So this will draft in a very better way. Okay, so you can try. Just like you can see the better results. Create 30 days study planning. Okay, to learn new thing. Okay, and if you are a very beginner, you can use this one also. Okay. And if sometimes you are required to combine two, just like expand and example. So you can use in this way also two shortcut key all together at the same time. This is the way how you can use. Okay, I copy and paste here. See. So this is the 30-day planning. Okay, if you are very big, very beginner, you want to schedule how you can learn new topic, just like Python programming. I say put it here. If you want to learn the cloud, how you can learn the cloud, what are the your planning, why, where you want to use. Okay, so everything are there. Uh, Math diagrams are Dr. Arshila. Yes. So for the diagram, okay. Uh, I will try to provide you this part also. Okay. So first, these are the only the writing and see. So this is the 30-day Python planning. How you can turn. So you can see the day wise what you should do per day. So all type of the content which are required to learn the machine learning. Okay. I sorry, Python, learning the Python. Okay, so within 30 days, if you are following this part, you can easily be the master. And here is also the mini project one, project two, project three, and these are the daily practice rule, how you can practice on it. Okay, so everything is there. This is the complete workflow, comfortable. Okay, you will start from the basic Python and come to the practical project. So the complete workflow is there. Okay, so dear participant, uh, these are the content, and there is one more file, this one. Okay, so this file will help you for the research purpose. Okay, but I will not share this file today. I will provide you this file in the coming session when we will cover specifically for the research planning. Okay, so there will be 2 or 3 sessions are there where we will use some research tool which will help you. Okay, so everything you can cover by using this file, as well as your ideas and how you can do. So I will share today only the two files which I have covered and I try to cover. Okay. And enjoy all these files, this content, and I am sure this will enhance your skill. Okay. And in the coming sessions tomorrow, I will ask some queries how these content are useful for you. Did you try or not? Okay. So use these content is your responsibility. Okay. If you want to learn any programming or anything, we have to work on it. Okay. Without having this content and you will keep all this content on the other directory and you did not open, you did not try to use them. So all these content which I am sharing with you are useless. No output. Okay, but I'm sure we all the faculty members and you have the some challenges. Okay, so I'm sure you will use them. So can you please, if you have any question, now you can unmute your mic also. Frequently, I have only very less time. Just 1 minute, if I can permit you to unmute your mic. Uh, yes, now.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, good evening. Arun Kumar Mandazi, welcome to this platform. You are always participant of all the event.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, very nice presentation, sir. One thing I would like to know, so far, teach a topic side, step by step, how to arrange content with picturization, like activity based or constructivism. Suppose
But repeat
you
your
are
question.
teaching,
Repeat your question.
uh, regarding teach a topic step by step, how to arrange the content with the
Yes, yes, yes,
picturization.
yes.
How
Yes,
to?
sir, sure. Just try these content, everything which you need in your academia.
Uh,
Everything.
uh,
Because due to the lack of time, I was not able to present everything.
okay.
Okay, so when you will use these content and when you will try, if there is any challenge, you can ask from me. But if you will cover this content which I am sharing, there will be no doubt to implement anything in your work. Whether you are teaching without or you are doing the research, whether you want to lesson plan, okay, how you can plan the schedule of the activities in your department. Okay, everything. Okay,
Yes, yes,
which you need from basic level to basic means from the faculty member level to HODs, then deans, then higher authorities. So these files are useful for everyone.
yes, yes.
Okay,
Actually,
their role
that,
doesn't matter. So many things I was not able to present. Okay, I'm sure sorry for that. But
okay. Okay.
the
So
shortcut
if you
provide.
present uh, next any session, construct learning design following the constructivism
Yes, yes,
or
yeah,
activity based. That's
yes,
why
yes.
I would be we would be too much benefited.
Okay, okay. Sure,
Actually,
sure, sure, sure.
Particularly during the presenting a topic or content, we need some activity, not only the content, because the content only makes some not interest to the student. In order to create the interest of the student, we need some constructivism, picturization, experimentation, example, exemplification, everything, diagram. So how to arrange that content into activity? So if you demonstrate any content, following any content and picturization, that we would be benefited. Suppose the topic like the photosynthesis or reflection of light, then how to translate the content into activity following the constructivism. So if you demonstrate this, the next any session, so it will be too much benefited.
Yes, yes, sir. I got your question. Okay, so other things will be there and we will implement. But this topic was just to learn. Okay, learn and implement. So how you can use this statement to get to plan everything which we need in the academia. Now the next part which you are saying for the picturization or the other thing. those also are possible, and we will cover everything which you are saying. And I request you, please put your question in the WhatsApp group, okay, so that I will cover your all the questions which you are asking.
Okay, okay, okay.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So, yeah, if dear participant, if there is
Another,
any gap, if there is any gap, just like professor is saying, okay, during the delivering the content, so you can put your questions, okay, in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so we will follow all this and we will cover your queries also. Okay, so because the audience, we have a lot of the participant. Okay,
uh,
so I
another,
actually,
sir,
yes, yes, sir, please.
another thing is that how to create a poster. Like suppose I would like to create the any program like international Yoga Day or International World Environment Day. So I like to do poster for invitation. So how to create that poster following the year?
Poster, okay,
Yes,
poster.
yes, 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 yes.
Sir, everything are the parts of these. We have 2 weeks.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
within these 2 weeks, after covering at least 1 week, you will realize the everything, and then you will ask this type of the questions. Okay, I
Okay.
have run everything which you want to learn. You can put the queries, but everything we have planned. And what, just like if you want to organize any program, then how you can do. Okay, I have special session on it, which I am going to cover, because we know flyer we are need to required to create. Then how you can handle all these things on the social media. Okay, how you can do the automation. Okay, how you can create the landing page. Everything which you need as a organizer. Okay, as a organizer, we have different type of the challenges. Okay, so all these things we will try to make smooth as possible. And this will happen. This will happen. And the next time when you will organize the event, only one person can organize. You are not required seven team member. Only the one person, one leader is required. And his willing is very important. I want to organize this part and I will do myself. You can introduce the team member, but in the team member, we have the seven team member, but working persons are only one or two are working, and remaining are the just showing the names only. So only the one person can organize everything, and you can see the in the social media the posters are coming, event is going to organizing, and landing page is also creating, and you can see the resource person and most of the event in during this time. Okay, we invited the other resource person also, but during this time you can see three problems are going there. There is type of the you can see marketing, drafting, designing. Okay, handling the queries, you can see all the queries I am handling. I am replying you. Okay, and you will see you will see that everything I am doing only one person and three events are going parallel simultaneously. Okay, one program is over, other program is start. Okay, now I have the program which will start at 8 p.m. and I have left only 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 20. But I'm not worried about the program. My program is going to start and I don't have time. So the thing is, you all will be able to do everything which you need the academia, and this is the vision of this foundation. How we can make our Indian peoples or the STEM professionals so intelligent so that they can share their ideas, they can share their thought. This is very, very important. Many things are going to change very speedily and we have very less time. Okay, but if we have the skills, we can do all these things by using the existing technology in a very smooth way. And you will be able to do all these things in the coming days. You will be able to do all these things. And if you have the challenge, we are here to help you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you.
department, yeah. So, thank you very much. And Okay, you can send your questions. I permit you to send your questions or the message, your queries in the WhatsApp group. Okay. After this session, you can do. Anytime you can do. Okay. So, dear participant, thank you for the today's session, and the content which I present here will be available within 2 minutes after the session. Thank you and good night.
Sir, WhatsApp group is only admin can post, I think.
Pardon?
Our WhatsApp group in that we can only admin can post, I think. It is
Yeah, I allowed you to share your question. Okay, I will permit you now.
okay. Okay.
Okay. You can see within 2 minutes, and you can share your question. Okay, but try to don't repeat the questions. Okay, if one participant is sharing the question and the another also trying to share the same question, so please do avoid repetition. Okay, so thank you and good night.
Okay. Okay.